Hello, good morning students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Students, as you know that we are reading chapter 14, division practice book. Okay, beta? So, today our topic is my turn 2. Today we will solve the problems of my turn 2. So let's come to our topic, my turn 2. Okay? My turn 2. Do the following division as repeated subtraction. The question has given beta, do the following division as repeated subtraction. Division as repeated subtraction. As repeated subtraction. Okay. So students, today we will solve this division with the help of repeated subtraction. Okay. So let's come to our question. It is Amit's birthday today. It is Amit's birthday today. Amit's mother has given 40 toffees to distribute equally among his 10 friends. Okay, students. Amit's mother has given how many toffees? 40 toffees. Amit's mother has given 40 toffees. 40 toffees to distribute it equally among 10 students. How many students? 10 students. Okay, beta? 10 students. 10 friends, sorry. Not students, 10 friends. Here are 10 friends. Okay. Find out how many toffees will Amit give to each of his friend. It means how many toffees will get each student. Each friend. I am speaking always student. But how many toffees will get each friend? Then let's come with the help of subtraction method. We will solve this problem. Okay, division as repeated subtraction. So, see here on the board, first we will write step 1. Step first, 40, we have how many topics? 40 topics. Okay, students? Okay, beta? How many topics? 40 topics. We will distribute these topics into 10 students. First time I have distributed this topic. Amit has distributed this topic into 10 friends. 10 friends. Okay. Then how many topics are remain? 30. 30 topics are remain. Okay, students. Again we will distribute one by one 10 topics. One by one 10 topics. Then 30 minus 10. It means first time we have distributed 10 topics, then Amit has remains 30 topics. Again, he will distribute one by one 10 topics, then he has remained 20 topics. Step 2. This one is step 2. Now step 3rd. Step 3rd. Step 3rd. Step 2. Step 3rd, 20 topics minus 10 topics is equal to 10. 10 remains, it means Amit has remains 10 topics. Okay, Amit has remains 10 topics. Next step, he will distribute one topic more, one by one. 10 minus 10 is equal to 0. We have got 0. Okay. 0 means there is no any topics amethyls. Okay, So your repeated subtraction of division has completed. Okay. How many steps we have got? 4 steps. How many steps we have got? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 steps we have got. Then how many topics has got each student? So there are 4 steps. So 4 topics has got each student. It is our answer. So write the number of steps to get 0 is, question is given, number of steps to get 0, number of steps to get 0 is, how many steps? 4 steps. Okay, each child will get, each child will get 4 topics. 4 topics. Okay, beta? 4 topics. Okay. It is our answer. Next question. My turn 3. Next question is my turn 3. My turn 3. It is time for collaborative learning. Ask your parents to buy 10 copies and share them equally among 5 of your friends. 10 topics and you have 5 friends. Okay? How many topics will each of your friend get? It means 2 topics. 10 divided by 5, 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. Equal to 2. Then 2 topics. Okay, beta? My turn 4. Solve the following. Solve the following. My turn 4 has given. Saying solve the following. Okay, solve the following. There are 6 flowers. There are 6 flowers. Question here is given, beta. How many flowers? 6 flowers. These are the flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 flowers. There are 6 flowers and divided by 2 ways. 2 ways has given equal to how many? It means 6 flowers divided by 2 ways. The question is asking how many flowers will be in each vase. Okay? Then divided by 2, 6 is equal to 3. 3 flowers will be in each vase. Okay, beta? B. There are some chocolates, 10 chocolates and 2 students. 1 boy and 1 girl are standing. This type of given chocolate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12 chocolate. 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 chocolate in one group. 3, 4, 5, 6. Total chocolates 12 chocolates. There are 12 chocolates divided by 2 students, 2 friends. You may say 2 friends. divided by 2 friends. Okay, equal to how many? Will get each will get 6 chocolate. Okay beta, very simple, very easy. Question number 2. Question number 2. My turn for question 2. My turn for question number 2. Question number 2. Okay. Write the division fact for the repeated subtraction. Question is saying write the division facts for the repeated subtraction. For the repeated subtraction. Okay beta, repeated subtraction. Write the division fact. Question is given A 12 minus 3 minus 3 minus 3 minus 3. How many times has given? 4 times. Equal to 0. This is a repeated subtraction. Are you getting? It means 12 minus 3 is equal to 9. 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. It means 4 times has given. Okay, are you getting? So 12 minus 3 minus 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay. So here I given box divided equal to divided box again equal to box. Okay beta, then firstly you will write here 12. 12 divided by 3. This number is 3. 12 divided 3. Then how many steps we have got? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Then our answer will be 4. Equal to 4. Okay beta. Next B. 25 minus 5 minus 5 minus 5 minus 5 minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is equal to 0. Then here will be 25 divided 5 equal to 5. Okay beta, very simple. This is the division fact. This is the division fact of this repeated subtraction. Okay beta. Question number C. 6 minus 6 equal to 0. Then what will be here? Box as given divided. Box equal to here. Then 6. Here is given 6. 6 divided 6 equal to 1. Very simple. Next question D. D has given 20 minus 10 equal to 0. Okay. Then here will be 20 divided by 10 equal to 2. Because 2 times has repeated 10. Okay. Okay beta. So this question is completed. and question 3 are remain. So you will do yourself question 3a-b. This your chapter of practice book has completed. Okay, beta. Question 3 is very simple. So thank you. Have a nice day.